Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another toy hunt video. I'm at Walmart Edmonton. There's so many figures at this one in particular. We've got the Scorpius Rex Slash and Battle becoming a new staple on the shelves here in Alberta. So it has the cool jaw chomping features with those wacky teeth and the scratching arm features, as well as a nice tail that slaps around. Still have the stomping Rex. It has its typical features like the roar, and you twist the tail and the feet stomp. This guy's still being a shelf warmer. It's basically at every Walmart here, and there's just loads of this figure. So maybe it might go down in price. It's currently $30, but I'm thinking we might see it go down to at least $20 in the near future. This guy used to be on sale a long time ago for $30, but now it's back up to $40, and there's plenty of it. This one has some teeth damage or something going on there. So plenty of Spinosauruses, again shelf warmers, but they're a welcome sight indeed. This one's got the mini action dinos for $6. It's just the past wave, nothing special. The Herrerasaurus is here, Draco Rex. We got the Dimorphodon with the Camp Cretaceous packaging, and Zuniceratops as well. There's this Fierce Force price tag. None of them, haven't seen them at any Walmart yet, but I'm excited because that's way cheaper than they were in the past. So I'm hoping they come soon because these guys already showed up and they're wicked as heck. We've got the Pteranodon with that double chomp feature. So cool. And it also comes with that capture gear as well, and a beautiful paint job based off the video game we all know and love. Next we have the Stegosaurus. This one's also absolutely stunning with the open mouth instead of a closed one, and that nice body swing action feature, the tail. And it also comes with the capture gear for the tail. This one's Camp Cretaceous packaging, Dino Escape, and the Pteranodon is just to Dino Escape, not Camp Cretaceous, which is a neat little thing. And they also have these guys, Proceratosaurus and baryonyx. I didn't see Bumpy here. Look how tiny it is compared to the Spinosaurus. Very small. Same with the Scorpius Rex. It is so tiny in comparison, but that's really neat that they still got these as well. So a lot better than the type of stock you saw previously on my channel in BC. Basically nothing there, but here in Alberta there's just loads of stock. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.